Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Typeform cloud data collection errors, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Typeform dashboard. Select the form that is experiencing data collection issues. Click on the Responses tab to view recorded submissions. Check for any error notifications displayed on the screen. If errors are present, take note of the specific issues mentioned. Navigate to the Connect panel in your form settings. Review any integrations that may be linked to your Typeform. Disable and then re-enable these integrations to refresh the connection. Return to the Responses tab and check for any new submissions. If issues persist, inspect the question types used in your form. Ensure that the question settings are properly configured. Test the form by submitting a dummy response. Verify if the dummy response appears in the Responses section. If not, visit the Settings panel in your form. Look for the data privacy options and check for restrictions. Make sure that you haven't disabled data collection or responses. If your form is embedded on a website, check the embed code for errors. Ensure that the Typeform link is correctly implemented on your site. Test the form directly through the Typeform link. Examine your Typeform account settings for any data limitations. Contact Typeform support if the problem remains unresolved. Document any errors or warnings for further troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.